गुड मॉर्निंग दोस्तों, थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग माय यूट्यूब चैनल्स। दोस्तों, टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द डिज़ायर। सो डिज़ायर इज़ द मेन थीम ऑफ द ह्यूमैनिटी, क्योंकि विदाउट डिज़ायर द मैन कैन नॉट सर्वाइव इन देयर लाइफ। बट वी नीड इज़ दैट कि मतलब हाउ टू अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट आवर डिज़ायर एंड हाउ द डिज़ायर come to out in our mind, matlab we need to understand. So without wasting time, we will start our session ki what is the desire. So desire matlab we need to understand that desire is a chemical structure. It is a implanted to the human body. So all virtue matlab so many time I have told about the desire. There is a seed, there is a sixth seed is a काम क्रोध लोभ मोह मद मात्सर्य. It is the sixth seed is existing in the human body, and it is and this seed is divided in so many thousand part of the body. And so we need to understand it is the chemical structure. Desire is the chemical structure, so that you will observe every time कि your desire is never satisfied. The man want to earn so many things, and the man is running to earn the money, and man wants to accumulate the things, and one thing he has got, one desire he has got, but the after some time the man has created some other desire, and the man is running up for the other desire. So desire is never satisfied. It is the circle of the human body. So the desire is implanted in our body is in regular manner. So my question is arising that कि मतलब how to control our desire. So we are the humanity, we are the as a human structure, but the someone is existing beyond this universe. The you may say the God, you may say Paramatma, and the God is doer of all things. So we are living with the we are living influence of the God. The God is existing. We cannot see to God because we are not having some power, and we are not having some intensity कि we can or senses can see to the God in the gross level. It is not possible because God has not given this power. God has given the power, we can observe all these things, but for that observation we need some knowledge, we need some divine knowledge, we need the spiritual knowledge, and we need to understanding about the all outer world and inner world. So many Upanishad has defined Vidya and Avidya. So every time we need to study about the what is the Vidya and Avidya. If we are studying the both concept in the same way, so definitely we can observe all these things, and we can reach to the God, and we can understand what is the God. But we cannot get the God. God is the nothing, anything. God is doesn't have any frame, roop, and everything. God is the infinite, Anadi. So many Upanishad says to about the God is the Asang, Anadi, Nirvikar, Nirvichar. So there is so many name the God the Upanishad has defined to God, but the God is pervading everywhere. So we need to understand the God activity. So God is the real virtue is the bliss, peace, and understanding. So this is the things we need to understand the God. So we need to understand how to feel the God and how to realization to God. We, so the God virtue is the bliss and the peace. So we can sit and we can meditate and every day we can observe our thought, emotion, action and behavior. So all these things is implanted in our body, and we have got the all the things with the DNA. So every time the man is doing any work according their DNA, and their senses organ and there is a action organ is doing work according the nature. So our body is also working according the nature, but God has given the one power, God has given the one consciousness. We can understand all the activity what is happening outside, outer world and inner side. It means ki matlab our body. So God has given the one power, we can understand the both the things. So we need to understand ki what is happening around the body, what is happening around the outer world. So we are the having power, but we need to utilize our energy in the right direction. So God has given all these things. So what I want to say about this energy every day, energy, the spiritually energy comes from the God, the fundament at the outer side. The knowledge is the most important things, and if you have knowledge, you have curiosity to know what is the God and everything. So this curiosity lead to know all these things, and you can realize with your knowledge. So knowledge is the things, you can understand all these things. Without knowledge you cannot do anything. So this is the things ki how you can realize the God existing. So this is the fundamental things ki first you develop some curiosity, you develop some knowledge, you learn some knowledge, and knowledge comes from the curiosity. Without curiosity you cannot learn anything. And curiosity, knowledge, when you nurture your consciousness from the religion sculpture existing, religion sculpture, and automatically you nurture your consciousness, automatically you will get the knowledge, and your knowledge will help you to reach the God. So this is the things, and what I am suggesting that you are getting the spiritual energy. So you do not waste your energy to anywhere. Suppose you are going to anywhere and you are discussing to other person, and you will waste your energy. So you observe ki where you will waste your energy, because your energy is the most important thing. If you will every day you are using your energy to discuss to another things, so you will use your you will spend your energy in wrong direction. So every time you observe what is happening outer world, so and you observe all virtue of the humanity. So and it is and then you will reach at the one conclusion कि मतलब, and it is a need to practice every day you practice. You see, you observe everything, and you observe what is all elements and everything. So this is the things. So we can understand all these things. So nature is the dancing, but you need to observe, and you understand what everywhere the God is existing. The trees is growing with the help of the God, and everything, the all insect and everything, the all creature is moving from one place to another place, and this is the influence of the God. So everything is whatever looking in entire universe, you will observe everybody is growing with the influence of the God. So you are looking this water, and we are standing in the just canals, and the water is flowing with the law of nature. So everything is happening with the according to law, but everything is happening present of the God. So that you what I am suggesting, that every day you use your energy to nurture your consciousness. When you will nurture your consciousness, automatically you will get all knowledge and divine knowledge. So this is the things. So I think that you have understand all these things. Thank you.